Good morning. You saw we watched the sunrise. We are now doing some more piranha fishing. I've already given up though because I'm still crap. Jack nearly caught one again, but with heaps of people and no one's caught one still, so yeah, I give up. I was crap yesterday, I'm going to be crap today as well. Fishing is not my niche. Hannah didn't come because she wanted to sleep, so she's still in bed. Everyone in the whole lodge is out fishing with us, but not Hannah. We're going back to get some breakfast after this, and then we're going to go canoeing, and then we go back to Iquitos. And that is our Amazon trip done. And then off to the Galapagos. She's cooking yuca in mass. Very cool. Just walking back to camp for breakfast. Goodbye, little house from the last 3 days. Last walk down this little alleyway. How was your last Amazonian breakfast?
Average.
I was a princess and didn't want the papaya juice again, so they went out and freshly squeezed some orange juice for me, and it was wonderful. Hannah's in the toilet right now, but she's still got some of her drink left. I'm saying it quietly because it's so easy to hear. But anyway, she just wants the toilet, and I put some banana in her drink, so I'm going to see if she drinks it. You can't tell. I'll record slightly.
I was about to pour this into there.
That was a poo. Nothing. How was your poo?
Good.
What? What? Didn't do anything.
You look like you didn't done something.
Why did you spit it out?
Because you grinned when I was drinking it.
Because Jack's poured his into here. So we're about to go on a canoe ride to the unknown. Our last, I felt like I've said that this whole morning, but our last Amazon adventure. And I'm already dreading it because it's actually sunny today, so it's going to be sweltering hot. And I'm in a jumper, which is fun because I want to cover my arms. Kill me.
Paddle. Okay.
How would you return around?
So we've got Jack at the helm of the boat. Me and Renee are just chilling. And then Amy's back there doing God knows what. I think that meant not hard enough. Push!
Yeah.
Sit!
Yeah, you can sit, my friend. Any more over here?
Oh my god.
We made it.
Are we off?
Oh!
Okay, let's try and go around.
Sit.
Oh my god.
Well, we took around over there. Too many.
Yeah, back.
Too many branches over there.
We keep recording that whole thing.
Not the whole thing.
Okay, you can stop it now.
Fuck at these. My neck.
We are back. I don't know if I've ever showed this room, but this is the like hall. Oh god, there's something on here. So this is the, there's still something on there. Anyway, this is the hall that we eat in and everything. Just got our last lunch. And then we're all getting the boat back to Iquitos. And we're off. This is our last boat ride away from the Amazon. How do you feel?
Pretty happy to be back.
Pretty excited to shower and not have to wear bug spray.
Yeah.
Are you excited, Jack?
Never.
Ciao.
Not get bitten too much.
Adios. The Amazon Dolphin Lodge. Officially back in Iquitos. They took it really slow on the way back because apparently all out there it's all like dried up, because in the dry months it dries up and the whole this part of the Amazon River is just like riverbed. There's no water, so apparently in 2 days time the water is going to be completely gone from here, so they had to take it really slow. But we are back in Iquitos, back to that marketplace that we left from. We just need to find a hotel, wash our clothes, shower and everything for the night and eat, and then we catch our flight tomorrow at 2 p.m. We're off to our hotel, we're staying in the same one and we're in a moto taxi. All crammed in. Jack's holding his bag.
You're holding the bags?
I'm holding my bag because yours are in little holes and mine's just propped on top.
Off we go!
Hey, I'm surprised this thing fucking goes.
Back in the OG hostel.
Yeah, no, it doesn't work.
We've just tried, me and Jack wearing matching t-shirts, twinning.
I would actually ask us to do Twitter.
I know. We are only in this because we are going to do laundry and I don't want to dirty anything else. I'm also still putting mosquito spray on because I have no long trousers as they're all in the wash. Ah! I'm gonna wear them when I get back. Okay, so
What did you find?
we are back in Iquitos. We've got dinner for the last time. I've got chicken. Hannah's ordered this weird ball thing. Still don't know what it is. It's like potato, or it's not even thingy.
I don't understand.
Potato and meat and banana-y kind of thing. But it's a proper Peruvian place, so looks good. We had it last time and it was still good. So yeah. Okay, don't know if you can hear me, but I went to a bread shop basically and asked for 3 bread rolls, ciabatta rolls. The crisps are in the way. And I got 12 by accident.
9.
Oh,
Wait.
9.
12.
No, 12. Yeah, I got 12 by accident. I ate one, Hannah ate one, Jack ate one. We just went to the shop to buy some alcohol. Gave the guys a bread roll each, so which was fun. I'm gonna see how many more days I can make.
Thought of doing it because it was weird as fuck.
Okay, well we're waiting at the laundrette. We've been here for over an hour. It's just taking a lot longer than expected.
No.
We gave away more bread rolls. They were overly happy, which I'm happy about. There's only one left, so no full breakfast in the man. No desayuno en la mañana. And then we're gonna go back to the hotel and edit more videos. We're back at the hotel. We just got all of our laundry and everything. I'm just editing. Hannah just showered and like, excuse the nudity, but I don't know whether you can tell. Look at all of those mosquito bites in one place.
It's just on my butt cheek.
You said you were itchy. Jesus Lord, if you haven't got malaria, I'll be surprised.
Mate. I've got mumps.
Okay, well that's gonna be it for the Amazon adventure because I want to shower. edit the rest of these videos because I got 6 to edit. Sorry, they're going to be going up the next few days. I know there hasn't been any for like a week or whatever. But yeah, so good night. We will see you tomorrow when we fly to Quito, to our second to last country. We're off to Ecuador.